30 days without being touched, and I'm sure it will start right up. Dino, pop the hood. All right, start her up.